Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright.
So good morning guys. So today is our day 4 and it's our last day. So nakapag-prepare na kami, nakapag-pack na kami ng gamit. Time check lang, it's almost 9:45. So ayan, nakapag-prepare na kami ng gamit. 11 o'clock pa yung check out pero nag-opt na kami na check out na ngayon kasi parang breakfast kami, mag-ikot pa, mag-shopping kung meron pa mabibili. Alanganin kasi kung 11 eh. So, since 9:45 na, baka hassle kung babalik pa kami dito. Let's go, breakfast muna tayo. Baka may bariya ka pa, suntok na natin yan. So, yung flight namin, 9 p.m. pa. So, kailangan namin pupunta sa airport ng mga 6 or 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. So, time check, 10 o'clock pa lang, so we have a lot of hours pa to spend. Pero you don't have to worry about checking out naman kasi we already checked out. So yun, then may mag-aatid na rin sa atin papunta sa airport. Yo! Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa The Ulong Tea Project. So look, marami nakapilaw.
Nakita ko to sa vlog ni Alex Gonzalo. Binalik-balikan nila. Yung dark roasted ulong tea, milk tea, at saka lemon ulong tea.
Pupunta siya dito kasi Harry Potter fan siya.
Pa?
Go!
Purple.
So guys, we're going to the Red House. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron dito pero sabi ni Agnes ay sikat daw to. I don't know.
Photo spot.
All about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame.
So, saan tayo pupunta?
Tingin tayo ng shoes.
Shoes. Okay, let's go. So, walking kami papunta sa New Balance, yung parang pinaka-flagship store nila dito sa Ximending. Kasi gusto daw niyang bumili ng 530s. So, ako naman, wala akong hilig sa New Balance, pero tingnan natin. Alam mo, ang ganda dito sa Taiwan, mami, no? Yung weather, talagang ano siya, for walking. Napaka-conducive niya for walking.
Sa ngayon.
So, isa lang ang hindi ko nagugustuhan dito sa Taiwan. Halos karamihan ng CR nila ay walang bidet. Sa New Balance flagship store. Tingnan natin kung may makita tayo dito na 530s, guys. Laters.
That is why you want me like you do.
this one. Pili na Agnes. Regalo daw niya sa akin. This one.
Thank you, Swatch, Miling. May Gentle Monster dito.
So guys, dito kami kakain ng lunch sa Green Building. Green Building, mami, no? Yung parang may food court dito. So dito kami kakain. Akala niya one. Hindi namin.
Ano yun? May 20 na dyan? May 10? Pero mas matapang.
So guys, we're on our way to the airport na. So time check lang, it's 4:30. Though 9 o'clock pa naman yung flight namin. Kaso we opted na pumunta na lang din ng maaga para hindi kami nagmamadali. Tapos kasi may mga asikasuhin pa kami sa airport like yung tax refund. So ayun, that's it. Taiwan is a wrap. Nag-enjoy kami ngayon sa Taiwan. Na-enjoy namin yung company ng isa't isa. Masaya kami na na-solo namin yung isa't isa. Mas masaya pa rin kung kasama namin si Olivia. Kasi though masaya kami magkasamang dalawa, araw-araw naman namin namimiss si Olivia. So guys, that's it. Again, it's a wrap and goodbye. They say all good things must come to an end. But as we wake up on our final day in Taiwan, it feels like something is just beginning. To Olivia and those who followed our journey, we came to Taiwan seeking a spark. But we are leaving with a fire that burns brighter than ever. Olivia, we did this for you. To show you that the heart of this family is a love that we must always tend to and protect. Thank you for witnessing our adventure in Taiwan. Taiwan's beauty was a backdrop, but reconnecting with each other was the true destination. We've learned that no matter how far we travel, the greatest adventure is and always will be the person walking right beside us. This is Olivia's dad, and see you on my next video here in the Husband Chronicles.